Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav bagade. My institute ID is N18042. My research paper based on machine learning and deep learning. Here my topic is a student attendance system in crowded classroom using a smartphone camera. Introduction. Here this in traditional system, teacher have to call the name of students and then mark it as present. But sometimes has in crowd sometimes in a crowded class there is some another student sit present and teacher mark as present, so the time, so sometimes there is a fake attendance issue is there. Its limitation is also limitation is like it is very time consuming. If teacher takes the attendance in morning, thus the students can leave the second class and your attendance is marked as for a whole day. If teacher take the attendance for every lecture, so it is very much time consuming. So we came up with the uh, idea of face recognition attendance system with the smartphone. Here and now in 20th century, everyone has the mobile or smartphone, so it will help to take the picture or photo of every lecture to mark attendance. Advantages, it is so it is just take a picture and photo of the classroom and you can leave, their attendance will be marked. It is also save time of both teachers and students. Objectives, it is so effective. This system is so effective. It's like the attendance of 60 to 70 students or crowded class are taken in just a seconds or in one click, one or two click. Uh, it save lots of time. Like in traditional attendance tasks, take around 40 minutes. Then in one lecture, then in whole semester, it take around 80 minutes of duration. It's like we are wasting our one lecture of 80 minutes. Uh, uh, After one click of photo, the next work will be automated. Directly, you can see who is present or absent on that lecture. It is not very expensive. It is just required smartphone, which is easily available to everyone nowadays. And further, it's just a software work. A proposed system consists of 5 steps. Here you can see the 5 step: enrollment, capture of classroom images, face detection and description, query database, matching algorithm. In enrollment, in this step, the biometric information of every subject of classroom or student is captured and stored. Uh, after that, we build the enrollment database by storing face, image, ID, and description of image, also ID number and name of the student. A capture of classroom. In this step, teacher have to take the 3 or 4 images or pictures of the whole class showing their face towards the camera or smartphone. Face detection and description. Uh, in each image, faces are detected automatically with the help of algorithm of face detection. Like in Python, delib library will be used. We can use uh, a query database. We build query database by all detected faces and their corresponding information, by storing their all detected face and their corresponding information. In database, we store following information, like uh, detected image face, id of the face, number of sessions, number of images we took, number of detected face images in the image of session, bounding box, location, description. And last is matching algorithm. This step is so important, very much important step, most important step. In this step, the data is in query database and enrollment database is start to match. If it matches, then the recognition it will be completed. And next is here you can see the system diagram. Here are our five steps diagrams like enrollment. The subject here subject is the student, and you can see the camera took the photo and face detection will be there, and all the data will be stored in enrollment database. And in second capture of classroom images, we took a three picture of the classroom of the student. And third is on these images face detection and description will be there. and and all the data will be stored in query database like face id, sessions, images we took, faces, boundary box, and description. In fifth step, matching, it will matching the query database and enrollment database data. If it matches, the recognition will be complete. A proposed requirement, resources required are like smartphone and computer access only for the enrollment purpose in starting, to take the biometric data of the students or etc. And modern engineering tools are like MATLAB and Python. FaceNet, which is library we will use. It it is 97% helpful to detect the face. The conclusion and future scope. Conclusion: we propose an automated student attendance system based on deep learning that can be used in a crowded classroom where the session images are taken by the smartphone camera. Future scope: we will implement more sophisticated algorithm based on reduction of dimensionality, checking spatial content consistency of the attendees. Thank you.